Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to watermark here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a watermark in Canva is a simple process that allows you to protect your images and establish brand identity. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can start a design from a business template, social media template, education, video, marketing, or print products. You also have the option to create a design from scratch if you want it that way. Now here, I'm going to upload a specific image. Now, what I wanted to do is to watermark this thumbnail that I am creating and then upload that to our YouTube Deep Laughs channel after recording this video so no one can steal our photo. It's copyrighted, all right? So what I'm going to do is go to the upload section again. Here, I'm going to click our Deep Laughs YouTube channel watermark. Now, what I'm going to do is you can place your logo anywhere on your image and drag the opacity, this tool right here, to something like that one. So it's kind of like a watermark right here. You can put it here, you can put it here, you can put it a little bit on the bottom right, upper left corner, and bottom left corner. All right, you see? A watermark helps deter unauthorized use of images by indicating ownership, making it clear that the content belongs to you. For example, these similar photos are your creations, and you're kind of like displaying that in a gallery section. All right, so let's think that these are gonna be our images. All right, so I'm gonna use this one for now. This is an example. Obviously, what we're going to do, I'm gonna click copy the our logo here, and obviously put it here, right? So somewhere in the middle. Because watermarks can reinforce your brand identity, brand recognition by incorporating your logo or brand name into your designs, ensuring viewers associate the content with your brand. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.